We want the select committee to speed up its work and come up with recommendations on how to replace the current IBC. We also want to reform the electoral infrastructure in the country so that we have an electoral commission in place which can be able to manage the forthcoming general election.
Joshua wa Kenya, Joshua yuko hapa. Musa amepeleka watu mpaka katikati. Sasa ni nafasi ya Joshua kuwachukua mpaka wapi? Mpaka wapi? Wana Kodi hoye!
Na wanasema Uhuru amepata 68% na watu wanauawa, uchumi ni mbaya, hakuna kazi kwa vijana. Hiyo ni 68% ama 0%?
And Muturi cannot subject the court order to parliamentary debate. It has never happened anywhere in the world, even in a banana republic. And therefore Muturi must know from today that from Tuesday, the other week when Bunge resumes, Opiyo Wandayi must go back to parliament. Opiyo Wandayi must go back to parliament.